God said to me in this dream, it is the last hour. But not only are we living in the last hour, we're living in the most dangerous hour. If we open just a crack for the enemy, if we just stick out our hand to the world, and if our motivation, our heart is wrong, and we stretch out our hand to the ark, to the holiness, to the presence of God, we can lose our life. This is the warning that God is giving us. And God says, it's your and it's my decision. Whatever we choose now, it's gonna determine where we're gonna spend eternal life. Are we gonna choose life, or are we gonna choose death? Are we gonna choose sin, the compromise, the lukewarmness, the attitude, the pride, the rejection, the offense? Are we choosing these things? That is what God is asking.